Madonnas, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to show you how I prepare this meal. You can prepare it for your Easter upcoming holiday, for your friends and family, and pretend like you are the source of this ingredient. So let's dive into the kitchen because I want to show you exactly step by step how I made this menu, and it is delicious. Okay, so first thing first, I like to put a lot of garlics in my meat. So I am going to chop these seasoning as small as possible. So I have onions, scallion, red and green bell pepper, and garlic. So up next, I am going to season the meat, which is beef mince, a little paprika, a little cayenne pepper. I am going to add a teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose. You know that's my favorite season. Yes, a little ginger powder, like a half a teaspoon. And then I'm going to go in with garlic and ginger powder mix. Another half teaspoon. Just mix that in a little bit. And then I'm going to add the ground seasoning. I'm going to spend a good 3 minutes to make sure my meat is rubbed in properly. Okay, so I'm going to cover this up for an hour, and then I'm going to go cook it. So up next, I'm just going to add a piece of butter here, and then just add the meat. I'm just going to use my spoon to just keep turning it and mix it while it gets some color. So it's time to cook this macaroni. So I'm going to add some water on the fire and let it come to a boil before I put the macaroni in because I don't want it to be soggy. So for this recipe, I am only going to use a pack of Velveeta cheese. It still have some ice in it, so I didn't get to cut it. But the fire will do the work. I'm gonna use 2 glass bottle of tomato paste, 2 different brand. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, so the macaroni is boiled, and I'm going to cramp it with some cold water. I don't want it to get soggy, so I have to do that. So the cheese are melted, and it's time to add the macaroni. Pasta. I'm Jamaican, so we call things whatever we think it is. Okay, so I know it's pasta. Okay, so now it is coming to an end where I leave it on the fire for a good 10 minutes, but it have to be on low. I just had some parsley on top of this, and then it's coming to an end. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember, this is a perfect meal for your family, your children. If they love this stuff, go ahead and try it, because you're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it so much. I'm telling you, I could eat this every day. That's how much I love it. Have a nice day.